So today is going to be something different. I am going to be making pork neck bones, two pork neck bones today. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually soaking the pork neck bones in some vinegar, right? And then some lime, right? That's how we wash our meat, soak our meat, wash our meat before we start cooking it. So it's going to be soaking for like about maybe like 18 minutes or less in some vinegar, distilled vinegar, and lime, some lime juice. And the next step, I'm going to show you how I season it, how I brown my meat, how I stew it. Caribbean terms, stewing is just like maybe like slow cooking your meat in the pot. You brung it, there's a way you brung it down first, you brung it down first in the pot with some oil, a little bit of oil, and you fry it on first, not like fry down, but you just steam it, or should I say broil, right? But it's actually they call it brown stew. So I'm gonna brown stew my pork neck bones. So this is 2 packs of pork neck bones, right? And I'm gonna brown stew it soon. I'm gonna season it up soon before I brown stew it. This is Anne's Custom Made Jewelry, doing something different today, and hope you are enjoying the weather. It's beautiful in NYC. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hope you guys are doing awesome, okay? So I'll be back soon. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how I get this meat right. Okay, guys? Much love, much love, much love. So to do the job, we're going to need have some cooking wine to marinate. I have some Trinidad and Tobago Matux hot sauce. We have some Worcestershire sauce. I can't even pronounce this sauce. You let me know how you pronounce it, guys. I've been struggling with this. Some teriyaki sauce. Have some ground ginger. We have some parsley flakes. We have some celery. We have our garlic. We have our onions, right? We have our garlic powder. We have our oregano leaves. We have our Lorry seasoning. We have our Lorry seasoning salt. We have our cloves, our whole cloves. We have our onion powder, our jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, and we have our soy sauce. So it's all going down. All these ingredients here, I'm gonna cut up the raw vegetables and stuff, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna like soak it and mix it around in the pot for the meat to be well seasoned, right? And we're gonna soak it for about 3 hours before we start cooking it. All right. So I'll be back. Okay, so my meat is nicely washed. I washed my meat out 3 times, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm adding the Lorry season, a little bit of the Lorry season all over. Not too much. Then I'm gonna add some garlic powder, and I'm gonna mix this around after. Add some parsley flakes. So right now I'm adding the onion powder. Next I'm adding a few grains of cloves. Not too much, we don't want to put too much cloves to make the cloves overpower the dish. So now adding a little bit of soy sauce all around. Next, I'm going to add some oregano leaves. Adding in the hot sauce, a little bit of hot sauce. Yeah, that was a little bit too much. The Worcestershire sauce. Some of a little bit of the cooking wine in there, a little bit. Some ground ginger. Some teriyaki sauce. And I'm not using any measurements here, guys. You know, we are from the Caribbean. We just pour till our desired, not too much, but not too little. You know what I'm saying? You just pour, you just add, you know, your suitable amount, what you would like, you know. Don't add too much, you know, but you just add your own flavor, your own ingredients, your own condiments to your pot, the way you see fit. Okay, guys? Next, I'm adding a little bit of the jerk seasoning. Alright, a little bit of jerk seasoning. You don't want to pour too much in there. So next, what I'm going to do is now I am going to pour in my raw seasoning. Right? My onions, my garlic and everything. Sweet peppers. Celery. And then I'm going to mix it around. Mix it around really, really nicely. So here with the camera, I'm trying to mix around all the ingredients in the pot. It's going to be a little difficult, so soon I'm going to put on the camera and just mix. Make sure everything is in there. As you can see, my raw ingredients, my garlic, my onion. Everything is in there right now. Woo! And I'm just mixing it around. Then I'm going to make it, after I mix around everything, I am going to make it soak for 4 hours. So this is the meat all ready to be, you know, cooked. I'm going to make it soak, as I said, for a little while. I'm just showing you the progress, how I mix it around and mix the vegetables in and all the ingredients in. And it's soaking right now. Not too much liquids are in there. It's going to actually like soak in its own juices and added spices and raw seasoning. Yeah, this is some real Caribbean cooking. As my grandmother would have said in Trinidad, real Caribbean cooking. Alright, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'm going to cover it down, put it in the fridge for like 4 hours, and then I'm going to come back and show you the stewing down cooking process. Okay, alright. If you guys are here, still here watching, much love to you. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Doing my thing. Yeah, and it's about to get down. Okay, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how this is going to be cooked down, and I'll even give you some timestamps too, like how long I left it cooking for, to get the desired taste and satisfaction of the whole Caribbean pot. All right. Okay. Much love to you guys. I'm getting besides myself here. Much love to you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay. So it's 6:16 now. Heating up my big Dutch pot, big iron pot. As they say in the Caribbean, I'm gonna heat it up for maybe about 10-15 minutes for the pot to be really, really hot, and I'm gonna start cooking. Okay. So it's 6:32 and the pot is nice and hot. It's nice and hot. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start adding my meat, the oil. bring it down process, guys, is a process. The hotter the pot, the more browner the meat will be. So I'm just gonna make it cook down. Make sure I get a little brown before I start adding in all the vegetables. So as you see over here, I still have the vegetables in the pot. Some of it, well, most of the vegetables are in the pot still. So when the meat is done getting brown, I'm going to gradually start back adding this vegetable to the pot when it gets its desired color. So I'm going to just make the meat get some more color, right? I will be like about maybe like 20 more minutes, but as I say, I'm going to keep you guys posted. I'll keep you guys posted with timestamps. Let you know what time. I kept it in there for me to bring it down. And yeah, alright. So I got you guys. So I'll let you know what's going to be going on. Let me know how you liking this little tutorial of cooking on the meat so far. It smells so good right now. It's not even done yet. It smells so good. I got you guys, okay? I got you guys, alright? So the browning process has begun. It has begun, guys. I'm going to make it brown for a little bit more. And then I'm going to put back in the ingredients, like all the raw vegetables in there. That'll make it cook slowly. Okay, so I'm just showing you the process thus far. You can see it's browning down a little bit there. Gonna make it brown down a little bit more. Yep, it's a living color right now. I'm gonna make it get a little bit of some more color, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so yeah, it's coming to come. Yeah, smelling good, smelling good. It's a process, but we're gonna get there. All right, now it's 6:51. 6:51. So I love the desired color. I love the desired color so far. And what I'm going to do now is, the time now is 7:05. And what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to gradually add the raw veggies in the pot right now. So what I did is, I pour back in all the raw veggies in here. And I'm going to actually add a cup of water in there, and I'm going to cover it down, right, for it to cook further. Okay, yes, I'm going to cover it down right now to keep the heat in, and I'm going to make it bubble some more, as we say in the Caribbean, bubble some more. The pot is bubbling right now. Papa bubble, the papa bubble. I'm going to cover it back down and make it cook for like, we'll see how long, maybe like a whole hour again, we'll see. Alright, to get it nice and tender. Alright, I'll be back. 7:17 p.m. 7:17. So it is cooking down, guys. It's cooking down. The time now is 8:01. So it's a process. It is a process. It's cooking down. It's bubbling. I wanted to get some more. I wanted to get softer, a little bit more softer, a little bit more tender. So I'm gonna make it cook for a little while longer, and I will keep you posted as soon as it's done. I'll let you know the time it's finished. And yeah, I don't want the meat to be too tough. You know, I want it to be nice and tender, so it's juicy and easy on the teeth when you're chewing. So yeah, I'm showing you the progress. Thus far, it's bubbling. It's bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. My pot is bubbling, right? So I will keep you posted. I have the rice cooking. Going to make some string beans next, and yeah, that's it. So food is finished. I'm just making it cook down a little bit. It is finished. It is 8:37 p.m. Made some rice. Made some steamed string beans. Okay, so the food is finished. It is finished. I made some string beans, made some rice, and we have the pork neck bones at the side. It was a process. Thank you for being here with me, guys, today. It was an honor being here, cooking for you guys, showing you step-by-step methods of how to brown down pork neck bones. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it thus far. And please try it. Let me know how, it came out, guys. Okay, you can always come back to the video and let me know if you tried it, how did it turn out, did you enjoy it, and yeah. Have an awesome, awesome night. I am going to chow down now. I am hungry, and yeah. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and yeah. Much love, guys. Mwah!